Hey gems, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, welcome, and be sure to hit that subscribe and bell notification button so that you are notified every single time that I post. In today's video, I'm just going to be showing you guys how I make my foaming sugar scrubs, and I'm using a made foaming base, and you can find these bases anywhere and with ingredients that you like without coconut oil and certain things inside of them. All you have to do is just Google them. But this is a base I've been using since I've been making foaming sugar scrubs. A lot of people make their own foaming bases, but I'm not that advanced. I know Tara Lee and Yaya here on YouTube, they go in depth on how you can make your own base, and someday I'm going to try that, but I ain't got time for it right now because I just got, the measurements and consistency that I like for my own scrubs using my already made base. And here I'm just adding agave syrup. Well, it's not syrup, but it's pure agave, and I'll leave the benefits in the description box, as well as I'll pin a comment. I'm adding glycerin because glycerin adds even more moisture to the skin, as well as it's used in all of, well, not all, but most cosmetic products and body scrubs and skincare. So I always add some of that. I added castor oil because when using a foaming base or making your own base, castor oil is what makes your base even more foamier. And I learned this, trial and error of making my sugar scrubs, my foaming sugar scrubs. And I also added the preservative because even though the base has a preservative in it already, you have to preserve your ingredients like your oils and your syrups or whatever you're going to be adding into your base, so that it won't go bad, because the base is already ready to use. Like the base that I have, you can just add your scents to it and your sugar and go on about your day. But I like to have mine with extra benefits, extra moisture, and things of that nature. And I'm just blending it up. And doing this is just going to mix everything well. And it also makes your scrub continue to expand in size, because as long as you whip your base, the more fluffier it's going to get, the more it's going to expand. So this was 16 ounces of base that I had, and I made about 2, 4, 6, 8, 10 8-ounce foaming scrubs. I think I have some on my dresser because I have to label them, but that's not all of them, but that's what I have on my dresser right now. But yeah, as you whip it, it's going to grow, and as you add more ingredients, it's going to grow even more. So yeah, you can definitely get your money's worth as a business owner, or whatever you do, or if you're going to be giving these as gifts for the holidays or something. You will definitely be able to make a lot with just off a little bit of base. And then I added organic cane sugar, raw cane sugar, in my turmeric video of my foaming scrub. Those are all sold out, but I don't sell the turmeric foaming scrubs anymore. I just do the last scrub that I did without the foam in it, so people can use it on their face as well. Because these ones that I'm making today, you cannot use them on your face. They're only on your body because they are high in perfume. Like, not perfume, but they have really thick body oil in them, and you don't want to put fragrance on your face. So these are only made for your body, not for your face, because it will break your face out because of all the fragrance that I put in. And you guys will see that as well in the video when I am doing the different scents. I only show one scent in this video, but I made about 5 different scents or 4 scents out of this one base. And you want to constantly mix all your ingredients as well. And as you can see, it thickens up and it continues to expand. I also added arrowroot powder for those that are wondering, and it just makes it even more thicker, but it doesn't make you greasy. It balances out the oil and the base and stuff, so that you won't be like slippery when you're using this in the shower. You don't have to add arrowroot powder, but I add arrowroot powder to all my scrubs. It's just, that's what I like doing. But you still will be highly moisturized. You just won't be dropping your container while you're in the shower. So that's why I add arrowroot powder. And honestly, I should have added it when I added the sugar, because it flew everywhere. And you guys will see that in the video as well. I think I added that clip in the video. But you want to either blend it in with the sugar or do it on a low speed. I don't know what I was doing. But I was making this while I was in my Zoom meeting and I wasn't focused. So I'm just continuing the mixing process, and I periodically scrape the sides. This isn't like shea butter. I will have some making shea butter videos coming up for you guys. But the metal bowls, they tend to cool your product and make them harden up. In the case of a whipped sugar scrub, it makes it thicken up. But with shea butter, it makes it harden. So I'll let you guys see that when I make my whipped shea butter video. So be sure to subscribe to my channel for more videos, because I will be having more coming up. And as you can see right here, that's when the arrowroot powder flew all everywhere. And I should have just blended it in with the spatula. But yeah. So when I'm done mixing everything up, I'm going to transfer it into another bowl so I can add my fragrances. I made a big bowl of this, so I had to add it into another bowl to add the different fragrances. And this is not your normal fragrance. This is like an actual body fragrance oil. I don't know if you guys remember, like back in the day when we used to get them roller balls with a fragrance in them, like Lick Me All Over and Pink Sugar. It's one of those body oils. It's really thick and it's only made for the body, like your neck, you know, and all that, but not your face. It's really potent, you guys. You see how thick that is? This is not like the fragrance I use in my hair oil or anything else, or my lip glosses. This is like only for the body, not for your face. It will break your face out, I believe. I never tried it on my face, but I'm just saying I know it will, because all that fragrance on your face, you're bound to break out. But I'm just mixing it in with the spatula. I didn't use a mixer because it is going to fly everywhere, because this bowl is littler than the bowl I was using. So I just mixed it all in really well, and then I proceed to scoop it into a container, and I tap it on my counter to get the air pockets out. And once it settles in a container, it's going to thicken up again to its normal form, but not thick to where you can't use it. So yeah, you guys, thank you all for watching. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Leave me any video suggestions or any DIYs you guys want me to try, and leave me down your favorite emoji. And once again, thank you all for watching. This is the final results. Bye guys.